Hi everybody, it's Crystal. How's everybody doing today? I hope everybody's doing well and staying safe this weekend. Today is 7/3/2021. So today I'm just going to show you something. I'll try to make it quick as possible. It's something I bought from Lion Brand, and it's super cute. I have to show you. Maybe you guys saw it on their Instagram account. It's like a cardboard cutout of a big sheep that you can store your yarn on. Did you guys see that? But I actually bought they were $19.99 and then on lionbrand.com. They also had it where they would send you these little do-it-yourself yarn, like I think 90 of these little balls of yarn to put on your shelf, plus the sheep for $89.95. I think that was the price. I didn't get that. I just got the sheep, and I got these reds for something else. So that's just some plain acrylic yarn that I'm going to use. But anyway, I'm going to show you the sheep. The sheep. So he is cardboard. I'm gonna put him in my, let's see how well he looks, in my new house, because whenever I move, I have strict orders from my oldest son. I can't bring no yarn in my house. Like, I'm gonna follow those orders. But anyways, I'm gonna put this sheep in my room, my bedroom. It's a little bit up there. I'll show you what he looks like when I'll put him together real quick. I'm going to put this sheep in my bedroom as a decor. And I don't know if you know this or not. It's kind of, I guess it's kind of a little bit, because I don't talk too much about my private life, but whatever. It's not really that big of a deal. I do not sleep in the same room as my husband. Not for the reason being is because I can't sleep with other people beside me. It's always been like that. The only person that I can sleep beside is my daughter Evelyn. She has slept with me since she was old enough to sleep with me. So since she's, I don't know, since she was like a year old, she's slept with me. So me and her sleep in the same bed at night. I can't sleep without her, and she can't sleep without me. And so I'm telling you a story while I'm breaking this sheep out. Oh, there's his head. Got a little bit of a dent here. But $20. We'll see how well it works. But anyway, so yeah, when we moved to our new house, she wants our bedroom to be all pink. I'm cool with that. I like pink. So I'm going to put this sheep up in the corner of our bedroom, and I'm going to put all pink yarn on it just for decoration. So I thought that would be cute. Yeah, I don't know why. I just can never sleep with. Now you guys probably think I'm weird because I don't sleep in the same room as Mr. Bot, huh? Yep, that's the way it is around here. It's the way it's always been. I'm weird about sleeping though. I really am. Okay. Enough about that. There's his head. So, it says sheep yarn holder. Oh. For assembly instructions, visit lionbrand.com sheep. I'm not even going to use instructions. It doesn't look that hard. So here's his body. And then yeah, I might need instructions. And then he has the legs. No, I don't need none. There's his legs. Oh, that's a one big thick leg. Okay, so it goes here. So it's kind of just, they slide in the, I don't know. It's cute, but it being cardboard, you gotta kind of be careful with it, I guess. So I guess it goes all the way down. Okay. Other leg. You guys can laugh at me if you want. I'm just trying to see how hard it is to put together and how stable it is. it being cardboard. You know what? It would be cool if they made it out of wood. That would be cool. I wish I had one of these made out of wood, but it would be a lot more money than $20 if it was wood. Okay, and then you just put on his slats here. He's weird. You guys are just watching me. Here, I'm gonna work with him for a minute. Okay, I gotta get the instructions. Just a second. Okay. I tried going to that website for instructions, but it wasn't working. But that doesn't mean it doesn't work. It just means that I'm not good at computers. So, but I typed it in and it wouldn't go to it. So I had to figure it out for myself. Now I'm out of breath putting it together. Okay, I got to put his head on, and then he's done. Now, he is super adorable. I'll show you to him. Show you to him. Show you him. Show him to you. Sorry about that. He's super cute, but he is a little bit flimsy because he's cardboard. But 20 bucks, what can you expect? I feel like I don't have the bottom pushed in all the way. I don't know what's going on with that. I'll have to have someone come in and help me out with it because I don't think I did it right. But anyways, and then you take like some yarn and then you can use it as your yarn holder. But like I said, I'm going to use mine as decor. There we go. And load him up with whatever yarn you want to load him with, like that. He's got lots of shelf space on him. But, yeah, he was just... Plus he's cardboard, which means he's not like real super... He was bent in some places and stuff like that. So, but... You can see his bins there where he was beat up in the mail. Here and over here and on the other side. But let me bring this up here real quick. Okay, there he is all done up. I don't know. He's really cute, and I think he'd be good just for decor. Like, you couldn't mess with him a lot. I think he'll fall apart easy if you mess with him too much, but he is pretty cute. Like I said, I'm just going to set him in the corner of my room, not this room, but a different room, and I'm going to stack all pink yarn on him just for decoration. And yeah, I sure wish I had a wooden one of these, man. That would be super cool. But anyways, that's it. If you guys were seeing that, remember it's at lionbrand.com, $19.95. It's cute, you know, for decoration and all, but it was it's not extremely well built, but you can't expect that for $20. So that's it. That's just what I wanted to show you. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. Would you guys buy one for decoration? I'm gonna go. Hey, I'll see you guys later, okay? I'm gonna go watch some fireworks. Happy 4th of July, everybody. Bye, guys.